Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from SudsySerenity. She reached out to me, wanted to send me some of her products. She makes bath bombs and sells them on Etsy, and this did come from Canada. So, up on the top here, it says thank you for your support, it means a lot. Cute little personalized message. And here is how it came packaged. Really pretty little paper in there. And it did come all the way from Canada, and the box looked a little roughed up when it got here. So we'll check on the bath bombs here in a moment. So she does make a bath bomb that has a ring in it. I don't think they all do though. I think some of them are just regular bath bombs. So here's the first one. It has some roses embedded. I will be doing individual demos on these on my channel. And this is huge. This is a really big bath bomb. It smells really good. The entire box smells wonderful. And then we have this one, cloud shaped with some gold drizzle on it. Really pretty. And this one I think got a little damaged. Yeah, it did. It's supposed to be a moon. I think that one has a ring in it. And that also has the gold drizzle. And the last one is an adorable ice cream cone. That did get a little crumbly too, but it looks like this part is a bath bomb and this might be a bubble bar because it looks like it's a different consistency or texture. So I think that's awesome. I can't wait to try these. I love trying new companies. Like I said, she can be found on Etsy, so I'll put her page below. She does have some bath bombs on there I was looking at. She had an amazing idea. She has gender reveal bath bombs. So you tell them, do you want girl or boy? And they're speckled with the colors on the outside, both pink and blue. And I think that's a really fun idea. So I will put all her information below. And if you want to see demos on these bath bombs, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.